Well, KwaZulu-Natal's healthcare workers have begun receiving the COVID-19 Johnson & Johnson vaccine. Premier Sihle Zikalala and Health MEC Nomagugu Simelane-Zulu will be part of the province's first stage of the vaccine rollout process at Prince Mshiyeni Memorial Hospital in Umlazi in Durban. So for more on that story, let's cross over to our SABC reporter, Vusi Khumalo. Vusi, good morning to you. Talk to us about the process and when we can expect the vaccines and the vaccinations to get underway.
Good morning, Leanne, as well as to the viewers at home. Yes, indeed, as you have said in your intro, that KwaZulu-Natal Premier as well as MEC for Health in the province, it's Sihle Zikalala, the Premier, as well as MEC for Health, Nomagugu Simelane, are expected to be the first people among legends of healthcare workers who will be receiving their vaccine jabs today. Early this morning, the program is about to start at around about 8 o'clock with the Premier, being the first person, as well as MEC, as well as other healthcare workers. So we're going to also ask if amongst those healthcare workers who will be prioritized, but we understand that even the cleaners, as well as the porters, the nurses and those working very close with patients with COVID-19. So we've also been talking to a number of people, as well as healthcare workers and the nurses here, who are saying that they are looking forward to receiving these vaccines because they've been waiting for far too long, with the world struggling to come up with the prevention methods of this of COVID-19. So KwaZulu-Natal will also be one of the provinces, after having yesterday with the Western Cape, with the President Cyril Ramaphosa having the first jab, as well as Health Minister so as Khailisha in the Western Cape. So we're expecting other provinces as well to have this rollout of the vaccines in their provinces, so that the healthcare workers, those people who are working very closely in wards with COVID-19 patients. So KwaZulu-Natal is one of those provinces which is also has got a number of people with a high number of people who are positive, who have tested positive for COVID-19 in the province, in South Africa there.
Right, Vusi, well, I'm certain that we will be coming to you later on during the next program or sometime in the show, just to get an update on that vaccine rollout. We can see the queues of people that are already standing there, obviously not waiting for the vaccine, but just waiting for some medical attention and queuing outside the hospital there in Umlazi. So, Vusi Khumalo, thanks very much for the update, and we'll keep you updated with all of the vaccination rollouts around the country with the medical frontline workers and all